Hello there. So, the inevitable has happened, and I have crashed my Rooster. But all is not lost, because obviously, as I mentioned in my build videos, Armattan do a really good warranty service. So, here is my Rooster. Here is the arm. As you can see, it's completely cracked and annihilated. I have taken the motor off, and I will show that to you. So, two of the motors. This one just about turns, but I think is pretty bad. This one will not turn at all, and if you look, it has been completely crushed, one of the magnets, this one here, so it's absolutely annihilated. So that's dead. Now unfortunately these aren't warranted, so therefore these go in the bin, but the frame is. So what I will now do is so what you do for a warranty for a Armattan frame is you make sure you take a picture of it when it's fully assembled. You then put on there your name, the date that you're making a claim on, the order date that you got it from. I always include who I ordered it from and their order number, what's broken, why it's broken, what part's broken, and then a signature. Then send a picture to Armattan. All these details can be found on their website, and then you send it over to them, and then they will send you another one. Now I luckily enough have a spare arm, so what I will do is I will swap it out. So given the challenges I had when I was building this, I'm a little bit concerned, but hopefully what I need to do is I take my arm, I find my gap in my frame, I then hook it underneath the little space just here, pull it with a little bit of force, wiggle it until it's in position, then get an Allen key, or a hex driver, push that through the gap, check that that actually all fits through, there we go, like so. Do the same thing here, make sure that's going up into the frame, like so. Then simply get my newer bolts, screw this one in, nice and tight, then get a lock nut, put that through the hole, get a pair of pliers, you can see. Give that a good torque, and that should be nice and strong. There we go. That was surprisingly easy. So now the only problem I have at the moment is I'm missing two motors because both of those are wrecked. I'm just waiting for those to come back in stock. So as soon as they come back in, resolder them on, and away we go. So this really did see some serious damage when it hit the post. I mean, this is the battery and this is the amount of damage that was on there. So this was an absolute mess, and everything's reasonably in good shape. The cage to the front handled it really well. The arm obviously broke and the motor broke. The camera's a little bit broken. There's a little crack here. There's a lot of mud on it, but I always have mud on my frames. So yeah, overall, crash testing this, yeah, it's very strong. Really impressed. So that's the end of this video. Hopefully you found it useful. I have got a few more videos in the works. I'm just waiting for things to come up, and I've not been very well, so struggling to do content when you're not very well. So hopefully you enjoy this, and I'll be putting out more content soon. Thanks very much. Goodbye.